Many people still get this question wrong. And do you know why? Also, I would love to know, are you part of those who get it wrong? And let me ask you, can you solve this question in 3 seconds? Three, two, one. And that's it. What did you get? Let me know in the comments. What did you get? Make sure you type your answer before you before you continue playing this video. So now, how do people solve this and what makes them get it wrong? Now, we will be using the PEMDAS rule, which says we are to solve parentheses before we solve anything else. So now this is the parentheses. 9 plus 3 gives 12. So this becomes 48 divided by 2, and this is times 12. But when solving this, because we are using the PEMDAS rule and we have M before D, so this is where most people get it wrong. They just say 48 divided by 2 times 12, that's 24. That is, they multiply first, because in PEMDAS, multiplication appear before division, and they say 48 divided by 24, and they get 2, which is totally wrong. And why is this wrong? Yes, we are supposed to follow the PEMDAS rule, but at the same time, you don't follow it blindly the way it appears, because multiplication and division, they are on the same level, they are on the same hierarchy. So when you're solving, whenever multiplication and division appear together in a question, you have to solve from left to right. So that is, whichever appears first is what you will solve first. So now let's solve it the right way. This becomes 48 divided by 2 times 12. Then we are to divide before we multiply. So 48 divided by 2. What does 48 divided by 2 gives? 48 divided by 2 will be 24. So we have 24 times 12, and 24 times 12 gives 288, which is the correct answer. So another way that you can solve this, but you have to be careful with this method so you will not make a mistake, is that you say 48 divided by 2, this is 24, then times 9 plus 3 is 12. But if you do not pay attention to every other thing that we have here, you might make a mistake. So the best thing is to solve the parentheses first. So after solving the parentheses first, then it will be simplified, and then you can take it up from there. So let me know in the comments, do you also make this mistake, or do you know the right way to solve it? And I will see you in the next one.